Good evening. It's so nice to see this lovely crowd here. Thank you all for coming. I'm Ann Perry, and I have the privilege of being the interim dean for the SIUE School of Nursing. It is truly a pleasure to welcome you to the School of Nursing Excellence Gala and the 50th anniversary celebration. I want to thank you for joining us, as this event is an opportunity to recognize the importance of the nursing profession and to celebrate it as well as to celebrate with all of you, the very people who work so hard to advance the nursing profession. We are also proud to be able to raise scholarship funds to support future nurses. Some of these future nurses are here with us this evening, and I hope you have the opportunity to talk with them. They are the recipients of our scholarship funds, and without these scholarship funds, it would be difficult for them to complete their program. I hope you have a chance to meet each and every one of them and hear their stories of what it's like to be an SIUE School of Nursing student. And finally, we are here to celebrate the 50 years of SIUE School of Nursing Excellence. Let's get the evening started, and I'm pleased to introduce our Master of Ceremonies, Dan Furtick.
No problem. Good evening, everyone. My name is Dan Furtick. I'm the entertainment for tonight. So I don't make any promises, and there's been an ugly rumor going around that there's a song and dance routine at some point this evening. I'm really sorry. I didn't bring my tap shoes. So we're just going to go on with what we have, and hopefully we'll be pretty great. And by the way, folks at table 10, I'm that seat that hasn't shown up yet, so I'll be there soon. I would like to welcome you all, friends of nursing, healthcare professionals, faculty, staff, and alumni alike, to the School of Nursing Excellence Gala and 50th Anniversary Celebration. We thank each one of you for being with us this evening. I would like to take a moment to introduce and acknowledge some special guests. If you would please stand. From the SIUE administration, our Chancellor, Dr. Julie First Bovey. Go. The SIUE Foundation Senior Director, Ms. Patricia McDonald. We also have 3 past Excellence Award recipients with us tonight. Michelle Brown, Donna Mayer, and Marianne Worley. Also with us this evening is Professor Emerita and past Assistant Dean for Graduate Programs, Dr. Jackie Clement, and her husband, Mr. Steve Clement. They're both with us this evening. I would also like to acknowledge members of SIUE School of Nursing's very first graduating class, the class of 1966. Thank you for being with us on this very special night. The School of Nursing is grateful for the gala sponsors, many of whom are represented here this evening. I would ask that they please stand at their tables and be recognized when I announce the agency's name. Our dean's sponsors are Anderson Hospital from Maryville, Illinois. Also Memorial Health System of Springfield, Illinois. The Nursing Excellence sponsors are Alton Memorial Hospital of Alton, Illinois, Family Care Associates of Effingham, Lewis and Clark Community College, Godfrey, Illinois, Memorial Hospital, Belleville, Illinois, and the Springfield Clinic, Springfield, Illinois. And our Friend of Nursing sponsor is Leonard and Deborah Jenkins. Thank you all very much for being with us tonight. All right, well, Hopefully the dinner is making a way around the room right now. If you haven't received your plate, you should be very shortly. Don't forget to continue to bid at the silent auction tables, which are to my right. There's many great items. Take a close look up at the live auction, which is to my left. And the live auction will take place later in the evening. Also, keep a lookout for the student nurse ambassadors. They're walking around with gold beads in the room tonight. They're selling those beads. That's our version of the 50-50 game, and we will do that later. The more beads that you buy, the more chances you have to win our 50-50 drawing. And we'll do that drawing before the live auction. So hopefully everybody has your food. Let's eat, enjoy your meal, and I'll see you all in a little bit for some more fun and games. How many nurses do we have in the audience tonight? You know what? I really love nurses. You all are just really great. Kudos to all of you. Great job. You know, my mom's a nurse, and she's just, so it holds a special place in my heart. And one of the benefits of having your mother as a nurse, and most of you probably know this, is we didn't go to the doctor very much because Mom always knew what was going on. And so I feel like once I left the house, like when I went to college, I developed this complex of like getting really nervous when I got sick because I didn't know what was going on. It's like, oh, I have a headache, I don't know, Mom, and I called my mom a lot, and I didn't want to be one of those students, but, the nurses will give it to you straight. This is what's wrong, and this is what you got to do to fix it. And you really appreciate about the nurses. I feel like doctors, and no offense if there's any doctors out here, they like to listen to what's going on. And they go out in the hall, and I'm not sure what's happening out there, if they're running tests or they're looking at a book or just consulting with the nurses, maybe, as to what's going on. Then they come back into the room and tell you what's going on. One of my favorite stories about nurses is when I was in college, I had a sinus infection. And thanks to Mom, I knew that with sinus infection, if you go the first day, they're going to go home and sit it out. And so 2 weeks into this, I'm having headaches, and I'm laying around, and I'm not going to class, and I'm like, okay, this is time to go get something done about this. And I go to the campus health office, and there's just nurse practitioners, there's no doctors, and they say, oh yeah, you got the sinus infection, and I told them it's been 2 weeks, and so they prescribe, what do they prescribe? You probably all know this? No? Okay, amoxicillin. Well, turns out I'm a little allergic to amoxicillin. Didn't realize this until the next morning. I wake up and look at me like, oh my gosh, there's something all over me. And so I thought, maybe something happened last night. I wouldn't take a shower, a hot shower, try to wash all this off. And it just gets worse. And so I go back to the health office at school, and the nurse says, well, you were just here yesterday, what's going on? I said, well, yeah, you gave me this medicine yesterday. And I roll up my sleeves, and I go, and this happens, and this, I kid you not, this is the response I got. Ugh. And so thanks to the nurse, and I knew something was wrong. And so nurses you all hold a very special place in my heart, so I really appreciate it. And now you've all learned something about me that's maybe just too far, I don't know. Now it's time to recognize our award recipients. The School of Nursing selected 5 recipients to receive 2013 School of Nursing Excellence Awards. Through their commitment and inspirational influence, these awards have had a profound impact on their communities and the healthcare profession. The school is grateful for the many worthy nominations it received for this year's awards, which made selection no easy task. I'd like to invite Dr. Laura Bernay, Interim Associate Dean for Academic Programs, to present the awards for Outstanding Healthcare Agency and Outstanding Hospital. Dr. Bernay.
Good evening. The 2013 Outstanding Healthcare Agency is Eastside Health District in East St. Louis. This award honors a community health agency, home health care agency, or long-term care facility that has advanced the profession of nursing and can be considered a model for others. Eastside Health District opened in 1937, making it one of the oldest health departments in the Metro East area. It has worked to improve the health and environment of the people living in East St. Louis and surrounding communities through various health promotion and disease prevention programs. Since the SIUE School of Nursing was established in 1963, Eastside Health District has partnered with the school to offer students a clinical environment in which they are able to receive advanced training in nursing. We are very thankful for this 50-year partnership. Would you please come?
Well, thank you very much, and I would like to thank the SIU School of Nursing for this honor. I am very pleased to have the nurses come to our facility. We certainly appreciate their help and all that they do to assist us in the community. So on behalf of our director, Elizabeth Whiteside, and my boss, Lynn Shelton, who's the director of nursing, thank you so very much.
Okay.
Sorry, I wasn't quite prepared for that.
Thank you.
All right, the next award this evening is the Outstanding Hospital Award. This year's recipient is Barnes Jewish Hospital in St. Louis. This award honors a hospital or hospital system that has advanced the profession of nursing and can be considered a model for others. Barnes Jewish Hospital is committed to providing an exceptional learning environment for nursing students, clinical instructors, and staff alike. For the last 50 years, students from SIUE, under the supervision of their clinical instructors, have worked with Barnes Jewish Hospital to care for patients on a variety of units, including cardiology, general medicine, and oncology. Students have depended upon these care experiences to create and foster the skills, knowledge, and abilities necessary to provide quality care in professional nursing. This long-lasting partnership has been pivotal to the successful history of SIUE School of Nursing. Would the representatives from Barnes Jewish please come? Sure.
I just wanted to say on behalf of Barnes Jewish Hospital, thank you so much for this prestigious award. We really appreciate our partnership with SIUE and look forward to another 50 years of another partnership. So thank you so very much.
Big round of applause for those award recipients. Dr. Ann Perry will present the final awards this evening. Please welcome back our interim dean.
The third award this evening is the Outstanding Friend in Nursing. This award honors a person, business, foundation, legislator, or other entity that has demonstrated civic responsibility to the profession of nursing and society by advancing the nursing profession through acts such as funding, supporting legislation, or promoting nursing through media outlets. Dr. Karen Kelly is our 2013 recipient. Upon graduating with a Bachelor of Science from SIUE in 1972, Karen has dedicated her life to the betterment of the healthcare industry and nursing education. A triple SIUE alumna, she earned her master's in 1977 and her doctorate in education in 1983. Currently, she serves as an associate professor and director of the continuing education at the SIUE School of Nursing. Karen has worked with many state and national organizations to promote advancement and success of the nursing profession. Currently, she serves as president of the American Nurses Association, Illinois. Karen continues to make strides towards nursing excellence in every aspect of her life. Congratulations, Karen, on this well-deserved award. Yeah.
Those who know me well know that you shouldn't stick a mic in front of me unless you want to hear karaoke night. I'm very honored. It's always particularly a thrill to be honored by your peers. And when I came back to SIUE in 1972 I graduated from here in 1972. When I came back here in 2002, it was like coming home again. I commented earlier to one of the senior nursing students sitting at our table that you may not find your dream job when you first graduate. Sometimes it takes a while. For me, it took 30 some odd years to come back and find my dream job. Thank you very much.
Our next award is for the outstanding new SIUE School of Nursing alumna. This award was created to honor a baccalaureate or master's graduate who made a significant contribution to the nursing profession and who earned his or her degree within the past 10 years. I'm proud to announce that this year's recipient is Carla Daniels. Carla earned her family nurse practitioner master's degree from SIUE in 2004. An oncology nurse practitioner at Springfield Clinic in Springfield, Illinois. Carla achieved credentials as an advanced oncology certified nurse practitioner, a certified breast health specialist, and a BRCA testing expert. She is a leading resource for genetics counseling in the Springfield area and is a tireless advocate for breast cancer prevention, detection, and early treatment. Next year, Carla will celebrate her 25th year at Springfield Clinic. Please help me congratulate Carla Daniels.
I would like to thank SIUE for this award. I would also like to thank Patty for nominating me for this award, and my colleagues and friends who came with me tonight to help me celebrate, especially since my children decided that homecoming was much more important than being with Mom. So, thank you.
The outstanding SIUE School of Nursing alumna is the final excellence award to be presented this evening. This award was created to honor a baccalaureate or master's graduate who has made a significant contribution to the nursing profession, who earned his or her degree more than 10 years ago. Lenora Dries, our 2013 recipient, began her nursing career in 1968 after graduating from St. John's Mercy School of Nursing with her nursing diploma. In 1989, Lenora graduated from SIU with her Bachelor of Science in Nursing. 4 years after finishing her bachelor's, she earned a family nurse practitioner degree from the University of Illinois, Chicago. Lenora is a member of the Illinois Society for Advanced Practice Nursing, a certified diabetic educator, and an SIUE School of Nursing preceptor. Lenora currently practices at Family Care Associates in Effingham, Illinois. Lenora, please come forward to receive your well-deserved honor.
I would like to thank Southern Illinois University School of Nursing for this prestigious award. I would also like Family Care Associates for nominating me for this award, and for my family who surprised me by coming here tonight. It means a lot to me. I absolutely love nursing and what I do. I love my place of employment. I enjoy getting up every morning to come to work, and I hope the students that are out there tonight can have as much passion for their work as I have for mine. Again, I thank you all very much, and I'm very honored.
Let's give the award recipients a big round of applause again. Well, now look at this. It's time to welcome back Dr. Perry. So, for the woman who makes it all possible, our fearless leader, interim dean of the School of Nursing, Dr. Ann Perry.
There's a lot of people here this evening and within the School of Nursing that makes everything we do possible, so thank you very much. In 1963, the SIU East Department of Nursing, as it was originally referred to, was moved from Carbondale to East St. Louis. At this time, we became the SIUE School of Nursing. Extraordinary individuals have passed through these doors of the School of Nursing over the past 50 years. Because of these individuals, the school has been a premier location for the education and growth of nursing. And I think we have a video, I hope.
Since 1963, the Southern Illinois University Edwardsville School of Nursing has made excellence a habit. Extraordinary individuals have passed through the doors of the school over the past 50 years. Because of these individuals, the school has become a premier location for the education and growth of nursing. The school's alumni have thrived in the evolving and expanding fields within nursing. They have carried the SIUE standard of excellence into their careers and throughout the world. The faculty and staff continue to be the backbone of the school, as they have laid the foundation for success. Through their tireless dedication and support, each and every student has received a high-quality education. Partnerships with healthcare facilities and organizations are vital to the continued growth of the School of Nursing. The school's partners have provided invaluable real-world opportunities for SIUE nursing students over the past 50 years. The SIUE School of Nursing honors all of its alumni and is thankful for the individuals who have selflessly worked to make greatness an expectation for future nurses and for the nursing profession. Because of their efforts, time, and expertise, the School of Nursing continues to fulfill its mission: creativity to teach, curiosity to learn, courage to serve, compassion to care, in a diverse and complex world. SIUE Nursing, excellence in action.
For an in-depth look at the school's past, be sure to read the latest issue of the School of Nursing Dean's Report. Each one of you received a copy at your table. It is important for us to remember the past. However, continuing to provide our students with high-quality education remains the heart of what we do and the heart of our future. We are still making history. Our enrollment continues to be at a record high with over 1,200 sophomore, junior, senior, accelerated, RN to BS, and graduate students. Actually, I think we're a little over 1,300, but I want to be safe on that number. In May, the inaugural class from our regional program in Carbondale graduated. We are pleased to report that we have a full complement of enrollment on our regional campus. Our Doctor of Nursing Practice program continues to grow. The inaugural class graduated May of 2013, and the third cohort was admitted in the fall of 2013. We also continue with our partnerships with our many, many clinical agencies. You've heard from some of them this evening. Memorial and DePaul Hospital support a faculty researcher who assists the hospital in developing evidence-based practice as they continue with their magnet journey, reapply for magnet, or apply for magnet status. Springfield Memorial Medical Center partners with the School of Nursing to provide a faculty for the Springfield cohort admitted to the Accelerated Bachelor of Science in Nursing program. We have done this for 2 years in a row, and the whole purpose is to increase the number of available baccalaureate prepared nurses for employment in the area. Our mission is truly the foundation for all that we do. Creativity to teach, curiosity to learn, courage to serve, and compassion to care for others in this diverse and complex world, forever exemplifying nursing excellence in action.
That just keeps dropping right back down. At this time, the School of Nursing would like to acknowledge the contribution of Dr. Marcia Maurer as Dean of the SIUE School of Nursing, who retired in July. While we are celebrating the school's 50th year, it is important to acknowledge Dr. Maurer's vision and leadership that set the trajectory for the school's expansion and growth during the last 10 years. She partnered with clinical agencies in the region to position the school as a leader in clinical nursing, thus helping to shape the quality of nursing practice in the Southern Illinois region. Dr. Maurer's passion, energy, and demand for excellence positioned the school to be a leader in nursing within the local and regional communities, as well as within the state. Because of her significant contributions, Dr. Maurer will be receiving the School of Nursing's Lifetime Achievement Award. Dr. Maurer is unable to be here this evening, but the university will make sure she receives this award. And now, Dr. Perry.
You know, an event like this just does not occur spontaneously or in a vacuum. There were a lot of people who worked very hard so that we would have a celebration tonight and worked hard under unusual circumstances for this last year. Before we part, I want to thank a wonderful committee that helped bring this evening to you. Would the Gala committee please rise and be recognized? Thank you all very, very much. I don't think words can express the gratitude I feel for this committee in putting this together. I would also like to acknowledge Chris Heather, and I see that she is in the room. This truly was a labor of love for Chris. Chris, I don't know how you did everything you did and how your committee came up with wonderful ideas, but I am very, very grateful to you for your leadership and to the committee for working on this event, and thank you so much. We also have a very supportive advisory board at the School of Nursing. I have leaned very heavily on them for the last 6 or 7 months. Some of them are here today, and I'd like to recognize them. If you would please stand. Our advisory board really assists in helping us with some of our future goals, helping to get us equipped with having new alumni on our board so we can really have very active alumni. And I do thank you, and thank you for all your help over these last few months. The professionals in our marketing and communication department, Miss Ashley Chitwood, Karen Miles, and Dan Furtick, would you please? They were so helpful in helping us with all our marketing, our communication, and also helping us with the MC for the evening, so it is very appreciative. Thank you very much. From the administration, faculty, and staff, a big thank you to our student nurse ambassadors. We are all here because of you, and we really enjoy and really respect our students and really like to prepare you to do very well in this nursing profession. Nursing is a wonderful profession. I've been in nursing a few more years than I really want to admit, but I never looked back. And so I've always been very grateful that I chose nursing, and it's been a wealth of knowledge, and I've had a front row seat in the nursing discipline, and so thank you all very much. I must commend our School of Nursing family. Not only do we have the support of all of you, our friends, but we are fortunate to have a wonderful faculty and staff who work tirelessly so that we can achieve and advance each of our programs. And I would like to thank our administrative team who also assists me in carrying out the mission, goals, and objectives of the School of Nursing. So on behalf of the School of Nursing, I would like to extend one final thank you for your continued involvement in alumni and school events and the financial support of the School of Nursing, and thank you for joining us. Have a nice evening and drive safe. Thank you.